Little baby bump.
Let's go out and make a snowman friend. Together it is so much fun. Roll a big soft ball of snow, add a carrot for his nose, as we make a snowman friend. Let's go out and make a snowman friend. Give him arms for a warm hug. Add a scarf and a top hat. Make a smile just like that, as you make a snowman friend. Let's go out and make a snow angel, side by side with all our friends. Wave your legs open and close, a snowflake lands on your nose, as you make a snow angel. Let's go out and make a snow angel. Now they're flying through the air. Our snowman friend is dancing. Look, it started snowing as we made a snow